Good morning. Y'all seen me in the other video with the same shirt on. I received 2 units, so I'm doing the second one. And this one is by... Let Tara put put her glasses on. And do me a favor, subscribe to my channel. This one is by Blonde Wig. It's a lace front. And her name is Lacey. So let's see what Lacey looks like. Let's take her out her bag. My natural color hair is actually a brown. It's a little darker than this brown. So let's see what she's all about. Okay. The parting is either the middle or the side. I have no idea. You have the lace in the front. She is, so they say, a 13. Oh, they give you tape to go on the hair. That's so sweet. Okay. This is the lace. This is how much lace you have in the front. It has 2 combs. If you know me, I normally take out the combs because I don't like those. Got salt. The tag will also come out of it because I do not like the tag. But you have a comb in the back. Oh, you have a little lace in the bottom here. And it's a drawstring. This is what it looks like on the inside. Okay, I'm liking it so far. It looks natural. It doesn't look silky or anything. It has a little shedding. Inexpensive. Don't expect more. And it also came with a stocking cap. Hello. So it's ombre. It's like light, dark up here and light going all the way down. Okay. Tara have to get used to something. Let's put her on the mannequin and see what happens. What she really looks like on the mannequin. So she's a side part. You know what I hate? I like my parts to come this way. This one is going towards... This is more of a... Yeah. They always make the right-handed parts. So we're going to make her a middle part. This is what she looks like. Tara with almost blonde hair. Once I give it a good brush out, it'll work. But anyway, I will come back with pictures and my review on it once I sleep in it. So this wig might stay tuned for this hair. But check me out on Instagram. You'll see pictures on Instagram of this hair and the hair before this picture. So thank you for watching. Do me a favor, comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Because I said so.